Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to join realms in Minecraft Java Edition. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, the best way to join anyone's realms is to simply go to the main menu. Once you click on Minecraft Realms right here, you're going to be expected to be invited. You cannot just auto-join anyone's realms. They should provide you with a code, and once they create their own Minecraft realms and they invite you by writing your username, you will get the notification that is right here, no pending invites. So once they invite you and write your username, it's going to pop up right here, and once you click on it, then you can join it. Now, if you would like to create your own realm, then you can just create an add realm, and you can either get a trial or buy a realm, and you can do so whatever you want, but this is to invite other people to your realm. But so, if you would like to make it, then just let them invite you, write your username, and once you join it, then you just click on here and you join it fully. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.